Okay, so I'm not sure why my face looks like a different color than my neck, but we're going with it. I swear it's the same. Anyways, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different. I wanted to do a what I eat slash how to eat right as an amputee, and I'll go more into that later, but for this weekend I'm going to show you what I eat. We tend to go out a little bit more on the weekends. I bring lunch to work almost every day except for Fridays. It's a Chicky Nuggy Fridays, so every Friday you can catch me at Chick-fil-A. But basically, yeah, I wanted this video. I love watching these videos. I love the recipe ideas and stuff, and I have a recipe of my own, which I stole from some cooking website, I don't know, but Rick and I have been doing it quite a bit, and we love it. It's a good recipe, you guys, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I know I literally look the same as I do in my first video. This is the same shirt, same hairstyle. No, it's not the same day. That's what a washing machine is for, people, although I didn't wash my shirt, so same shirt, new boob stickies. That's the motto I got right now. Happy 2020. So today is Friday. I literally just got home from work. That's why it's like a vlog style video. And I'm just waiting for Rick to get home, and then we're probably gonna go out to eat. And so I'm just gonna document it and just kind of share with you guys my little life. So let's just hop right on into the video. I'm filming for my Instagram video.
Okay.
And now you're in it.
Oh, there you go.
Well, I won't use this audio.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Let's go. Come on.
At the end of January, I'm going to stop taking.
Thank you. So here I'm just getting a steak burrito with guacamole, sour cream, lettuce, black beans, and that's it. I like mine pretty simple.
I know, I understand. Hold on. All right, go. Hey, my food! Oh my God. We're done here. You hang on to that. You're not going back.
Okay, you can stop now. Clearly I don't know how to work anything. But anyways, good morning everyone. It is a Saturday morning and it's currently like 8:30. Rick usually wakes up around like 9:30. So pretty much every Saturday I go get us coffee and breakfast. We have a Starbucks pretty close to our house. So that's kind of how we start the day. I've been obsessed though with the Chick-fil-A like little yogurt parfait that they have. So I'm getting myself that. They're like right next to each other. So it works out. So Chick-fil-A first. I already mobile ordered everything, which, I mean, welcome to the future, people, because let me tell you, I forgot to bring my credit card. So it's nice that I just can mobile order it and then pick it up without having to like worry about carry anything with me. So I'm on my way to Chick-fil-A and I am so excited. Okay, no worries.
Alright, waiting. What can I get for you?
You're fine. Can I please get a decaf mocha with an extra pump of mocha?
With an extra cup of mocha?
Uh-huh.
Alright, and what size did you want that?
Just a grande.
Alright, what else for you?
That's gonna be it.
Sounds good. It'll be first when you want it to wait.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Do you guys ever have that one eyebrow that's just like way better than the other eyebrow? My right eyebrow, that's my left. My other eyebrow always looks so much better, and I just don't get it. Like, it looks perfect, and this one just looks like B+ effort. Anyways, ordered our coffee. That's the important thing here. Well, Rick's coffee. What's up? So we are currently in my kitchen. So now it's around 10 o'clock. I have to leave for a lesson, but because it's around like, it's gonna be around like noon, I want something to eat before that, because I know that I will get hangry, so I'm gonna make myself a shake. I make these 99% of every single morning during the week. Obviously the weekends, treat myself a little bit. So these are like my go-to breakfast things, and they keep me really full. They're really, really yummy, and I really enjoy making them. And I got a new blender for Christmas, so now it's just a lot easier. It's a NutriBullet, so it's one of those like you blend in the cup that you're gonna use, if that makes sense. I don't know. So let's go and make the shake. And there we have it. Tastes pretty good, super easy to make. You can literally throw anything in there. I do these literally like 5 to 6 times a week in the morning. They're so they're so filling. And I think it's a really great way to quickly get all the like nutrients and vitamins and kind of like fruits and veggie servings that you need. And this will keep me full until after my lesson when I can eat again.
What are you doing now?
I don't know. What am I doing? Watch me down my burger in like 2 minutes.
You know,
Not even.
Should time it.
No.
Give me those fries. Come on.
Oh, hot.
Yes. Ah.
Right?
What? Cut your head off, Will. Put it down.
No, you gotta grab it. You gotta do a little cheers. Alright, ready? Cheers. Okay. Okay, so now it is Sunday afternoon. I did not eat breakfast, so I'm just making myself this like chicken and rice thing that I picked up from the store when I went grocery shopping. Super easy to make. Yeah? You want some chicken? It's human food. I got you some cat treats. They're organic. No? Alright, well. It was super easy to make and simple and healthy, and it filled me up, and it was cheap, so woohoo! Okay, so now we are making dinner for Sunday night, and I am preheating the oven to 425. And now I'm just getting my chicken ready, all the materials I'm going to need. So I have my chicken, some baggies to store the extra breasts, and a pan to cook the chicken in. Bless me. Bless me. Ooh, I got some sneezes. Anyways, back to the chicken. So I'm just taking it out and I'm just washing it. It's really important to wash your meat. You never know where it's coming from. We usually get organic chicken. I don't want to be those people, but we are. I think what we put into our bodies is really important because, you know, what we put in, we get out. So it's really important that we fuel our bodies with good things. So once the chicken is all clean, I'm gonna add all my spices. As you can see here, we have a lot. I'm gonna start with some olive oil, put it in the pan. I put way too much. I'm just gonna go and put my chicken in there. I'm gonna add both breasts, only 2, and I saved the other 2. I'm gonna add some basil, some garlic salt, some onion powder, some regular salt, and there we go. I also am gonna add butter. It just makes it freaking perfect. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven at 425. You can kind of cook it for like 20 minutes. I just kind of check on it every so often. So now I'm gonna start with the bacon. I cannot open this package for the life of me. It's just like organic honey smoked uncured bacon, I think. So I'm just gonna lay out 6 pieces, I believe, just on our pan. We're making the bacon to make like bacon crumbles in our salad. I I guess I should tell you guys what we're making. We're making like a salad that has chicken, bacon, broccoli, and a few other vegetables in it. So I'm cooking the bacon, obviously, and now I'm just putting it on a paper towel to soak up all the oil from it. And now we move on to the broccoli. I'm just going to chop it up. Pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. You obviously don't want that big trunk there. You just want all the little trees. And you might want to pull some apart from like the big bushels. We don't really care. Once we cook it, kind of all softens up. So now we're going to put it in our pot. You're just going to let it come to a boil and then just kind of sit there and steam. You don't want to cook it too long because you don't want it to get too soft. I don't really know. I'm bad at explaining this because I don't really cook. I just kind of like do it and hope for the best. So here I'm cutting up some cucumber to put on our salad. I already chopped up the tomato, as you can see that slice that I've bitten into, but I wasn't filming because I'm stupid. But anyways, chopping it up, our chicken is done. As you can see, it's kind of brown and crusty on the outside, which is perfect, and our broccoli is also almost done. So now I'm going to take the broccoli out and I'm going to put cold water in the pan to let it kind of cool. You don't want hot things in your salad because it's going to make the lettuce wilt. So sometimes we'll also put it in the freezer to cool faster, and that's just what we do. So now I'm just cutting up the chicken into like smaller bites because it is gonna go in a salad. I don't want like chunks of chicken. So now I'm gonna use this spring mix and just put it in my salad. There's a nice picture of bowl. Oh, I didn't even show it. Anyways, moving on. Bacon's in there, chicken's in there, broccoli's in there. And now I'm just gonna use vinegar and oil to act as our dressing. I put a ton of vinegar in it because we love it. And then you mix it all together and you got a nice salad going. Sorry I suck at explaining what the heck I'm doing. I will get better at this, I promise. But yeah, it's really simple. I'll leave all the ingredients down in the description bar. What is up, you guys, and happy Tuesday. I'm currently editing the video that you're watching, and I didn't realize it was going to turn out so long, so I think I'll save the whole like why eating healthy as an amputee is important and just kind of all of that, because it really is important. So yeah, I'll go over that in a different video. I'm sorry this is so long. Thanks for sticking to the end, and I will see you guys next week. Be sure to subscribe down below and give it a big thumbs up, and let me know if you use that salad recipe. Rick and I love it. We make it about once a week, and it's just easy and nice. So all right, see you guys next week. Bye.